sending, like there are so many good reputed companies. They are doing online recruitment.
Recruitment where they can conduct interviews. I also do
Mm.
that.
Yes,
Yes.
you did that.
Yes, I get that.
So
And
introduce yourself.
okay, now I think we are meet first time. So first of all, thank you for asking me. My name is Gagan Kuswaha. Basically, I'm from Satna, but currently I'm living in Bhopal, where I was studying my BTech in final year, and I'm a final year student, and
Mm.
I'm belong to Madhya Pradesh.
You belong from Madhya Pradesh. Right now, you are doing BTech, computer science, mechanical, electrical,
Computer science.
computer science. Okay. Hmm. So, who suggests you that you should join this Skype application for conversation?
My roommate, they also join in, I think, 1 and 2 years.
Hmm. They
Mm,
suggest you should join this platform for free conversation.
yes.
How many conversation did you take?
I, I think this is my third conversation.
Third conversation.
Yes.
Are you also doing audio sessions?
Uh, no, first time I take a video and second audio and this third video.
Because mostly people in the beginning they are, have keen desire to do audio calls because they are, in the beginning they have shy nature.
Low of confident.
Yes, but
Yes.
after some time, they overcome this problem and they start to take video calls.
Yes.
But in
This,
my opinion, if you have time and you want to improve your English speaking skills and body language, so you should join video sessions, not audio.
yes.
Because
Because
after completing your BTech, if you are sending, like there are so many good reputed companies, they are doing online recruitment.
recruitment where they can conduct interviews. I also do
Mm.
that.
Yes,
Yes.
you did that.
Yes, I get that.
Then how was your experience when you were doing um,
That's
online interview?
that's good. When HR is in a video call, then I also giving the answers his questions.
Hmm.
They
Hmm.
make it's good conversation.
Hmm. But if you are not habitual of attending video calls, video sessions, that time you can face some problem if you
Yes,
going to for interview, online interview.
yes, that's right.
Hmm. So like, hello, can you
Yes,
hear me? I'm
y-
visible.
yes, you are visible.
Okay. So we will do one activity. Are you interested for it?
Yes, why not? So you can do it.
I will narrate one story, and after that you will tell me whatever comes to your mind. You can tell
Okay,
me.
okay,
Okay. It's a very
okay.
simple story we heard in our childhood. There were two cats. They were fighting over a piece of bread. First cat said, "This is my," and second cat said, "No, I saw first, so this is my." Suddenly, a monkey was passing. Then he
Yes,
saw two cats are fighting. Then he was very wise, so he thought, "Okay, I should take advantages because they both the cats are full. I can make fool them." Then he said, "Okay, I can solve your problem. Give me your bread." Then he divided two parts. He said, "I will divide equally," but no, it was not equal part. One part was bigger from the other part. Then he said, "Oh, it seems one part is bigger. So I think I should eat this for making equal." Then he eat bigger part. Again, he said, "Oh, now the second part is looking bigger than the first part. I should eat that." And gradually he ate whole bread
yes,
and he ran away. Then the cats, feeling regretted why we had fight with each other. We should share equally and we should live peacefully. If we are, solving this problem peacefully, nobody can take our advantages.
Yes, right.
So, what did you learn from this story? It's a kid's story, I can say.
I already listened this story. First of all, there are no need to third person in for
Hmm. Hmm.
what divide a bread. If a
Hmm.
both cats are divide this bread in each other, then they can't and they not feel regret. And there are the also third person come and they take advantage, and
Hmm.
and they are
Like,
uh,
did you observe in your college lives, two friends are, fighting with each other, and there is third friend who joined them? Did you
yes,
observe and seen
yes,
from your
I
college
already,
life? So you elaborate.
yes. That third person can take advantage, and uh they fight. mm, mm, they contain a fight
So
of
in
two
this
persons.
world, I am observing like two persons. If two persons are fighting, there are some person who want to resolve the problem, but mostly are taking the advantages. So you should always crack your problems peacefully. Don't tell third person.
Yes, that's right.
Watching your fights, they will always feel, happy.
Yes, and if
Yeah.
many people make a feel happy, like uh, uh,
If I talk about like two countries, okay, two countries are fighting with each other, there are some conflicts between them, and the third country will say, okay, I'm with you, and again they told second country, I am with you, and they are taking advantages.
also told both
That's what.
side.
Yes.
Yes,
So I think if you are, quarreling, so you should resolve your problem peacefully. Never
yes,
enter third person in your life.
yes, that's right.
Hmm. So, like, there are so many applications apart from Skype. Do you take anyone's applications help?
I have only one application, Skype, because
Skype.
I yes, because I will join 2 or 3 days
Hmm.
in, so I don't have any
So,
other
together
application.
for improving the skills, like some of are saying you should do mirror practice, you should do self-talk, you should watch Hollywood movies, you should read novels, books, self-help books. So, which is your favorite one?
Uh, like Hollywood movies and the books.
Books. What kind
Yes.
of books are you reading?
I also read a Rich Dad and Poor Dad, and like
Okay.
something.
That's your dad.
Yes.
Atomic Habits. Did you read?
I think I read in Hindi Atomic Habits, but I don't read in English.
Hmm.
Yes.
I don't like self-help books. I always read, kids' story book, Panchtantra
Okay.
books, and my daughter's syllabus book.
Nice.
But my husband
In
always loved to read the self-help book. They had read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Atomic Habits, some other books.
Think and
Yes,
Grow Rich
but I
Dad.
don't like. Hmm. Do you like novel also?
Uh, I can't read any time. Means that I know read novel books, so I
Hmm.
have idea
Hmm.
about this.
Hindi, my favorite is Munshi Premchand.
Munshi Premchand. I think
Yes.
he's uh,
Mm-hmm. And he
he's a,
had created Godan, Nirmala. These are the famous, creations of Munshi Premchand.
yes.
Eidgah, there is one another, Eidgah. It is very famous book.
I think
Famous
I listened
story, not. Hmm.
this person because when I'm eighth or ninth, I think 10th. Then this
Hmm.
that they mentioned there Munshi Premchand, and they are
Hmm.
sad. I think there are stories are mentioned that in book Hindi. I think
Yeah.
Hindi book.
In Hindi, always they have Munshi Premchand's lesson. Some stories like Eidgah, Godan, Nirmala. There are
Yes,
so many
Goda.
good stories. Hmm. Godan. And it was also, on the national TV. They always, broadcast this serial, Godan.
Goda.
It was a good story. Hmm.
Right.
So, like recently, any movie did you watch from Hollywood or Tollywood?
I, I was Tollywood, Hollywood.
Hmm.
I was
So, which
and
which one was
is
recent movie?
what?
Which one was your recent movie? Can you tell me the name of the movie?
Yeah, sure. Why not? I think I recently watched a Bollywood movie. Which name is Guinea with Sunny, like that.
Ginny West Sunny. Okay, because there is one movie. It is right now very popular. Chhawa movie.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I also watched that Chava. Yes,
Hmm.
where
Movie. All are saying it is a very good movie. We should watch.
uh,
I am planning also. I would watch this movie, but after the exam of my daughter's exam.
okay. In which class your daughter are pursuing?
She is in sixth standard.
Sixth standard. Nice, that's great. How many
Hmm.
childs you have?
I have only one daughter.
One daughter. Great.
Yes. So, do you have any question for me? Then you can ask.
Mm. I think at this time I have not any questions for you. If you have, then you can ask.
I think my suggestion is you should talk more and more.
Yes. But this is my first time, so I'm feel nervous and I have no vocabulary when I talk. So
Hmm.
I'm
But if you are continuously doing your conversation, after that you will get your vocabulary. You can reduce your hesitation, and you can maintain
yes,
your eye contact also.
yes. So why not?
Because I'm observing you are feeling nervous.
Yes,
Okay, we will meet again in new session with new topic. Maybe you will get your confidence, and that time you can maintain your eye contact also. Okay.
yes. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
आज के कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद है कुछ सेंटेंसेज जो हमारे इस फ्रेज से बने हुए हैं हुक्ड ऑन। उसे पूरी रात नेटफ्लिक्स देखने की लत लग गई है। शी इज हुक्ड ऑन वॉचिंग नेटफ्लिक्स ऑल नाइट। शी इज हुक्ड ऑन वॉचिंग नेटफ्लिक्स ऑल नाइट। उसे छोटी उम्र में ही धूम्रपान की लत लग गई थी। ही गॉट हुक्ड ऑन स्मोकिंग एट अ यंग एज। ही गॉट हुक्ड ऑन स्मोकिंग एट अ यंग एज। मुझे यह नया वीडियो गेम पूरी तरह से पसंद आ गया है। आई एम टोटली हुक्ड ऑन दिस न्यू वीडियो गेम। आई एम टोटली हुक्ड ऑन दिस न्यू वीडियो गेम। आजकल बहुत से लोग सोशल मीडिया के आदी हो गए हैं। मैनी पीपल आर हुक्ड ऑन सोशल मीडिया दी डेज। परीक्षाओं के बाद उसे कॉफ़ी पीने की लत लग गई है। शी गॉट हुक्ड ऑन कॉफ़ी आफ्टर हर एग्जाम्स। शी गॉट हुक्ड ऑन कॉफ़ी आफ्टर हर एग्जाम्स। मैं फ़िल्म के रोमांच से पूरी तरह प्रभावित हो गया था। आई वॉज हुक्ड बाई द सस्पेंस इन द मूवी। आई वॉज हुक्ड बाई द सस्पेंस इन द मूवी। उसे रहस्यपूर्ण उपन्यास पढ़ने का शौक हो गया। ही गॉट हुक्ड ऑन रीडिंग मिस्ट्री नॉवेल्स। ही गॉट हुक्ड ऑन रीडिंग मिस्ट्री नॉवेल्स। जैसे ही मैंने वह गाना सुना मैं मंत्रमुग्ध हो गया। द मोमेंट आई हर्ड दैट सॉन्ग आई वॉज हुक्ड। द मोमेंट आई हर्ड दैट सॉन्ग आई वॉज हुक्ड। उसे नई भाषाएं सीखने का जुनून है। शी इज़ हुक्ड ऑन लर्निंग न्यू लैंग्वेजेस। शी इज़ हुक्ड ऑन लर्निंग न्यू लैंग्वेज। और जब हम फिजिकली हमारी कोई चीज़ अटक जाती है, स्टक हो जाती है, चाहे हमारा जैकेट हो या कोई ब्रेसलेट हो, इस तरह से फंस जाता है तो उसके लिए भी हुक्ड का यूज़ किया जाता है। जैसे उसकी जैकेट दरवाजे के हैंडल में फंस गई, हिज जैकेट गॉट हुक्ड ऑन द डोर हैंडल, हिज जैकेट गॉट हुक्ड ऑन द डोर हैंडल, मछली कांटे में फंस गई। द फिश गॉट हुक्ड ऑन द फिशिंग लाइन, द फिश गॉट हुक्ड ऑन द फिशिंग लाइन, उसकी चूड़ी मेरे स्वेटर में फंस गई। हर ब्रेसलेट गॉट हुक्ड ऑन माई स्वेटर, हर ब्रेसलेट गॉट हुक्ड ऑन माई स्वेटर।